Kickstart your TikTok Shop affiliate journey in less than a day. Say hello to ShopReelAI, the first ever AI-powered TikTok Shop affiliate studio. Whether you're a total newbie or already have some experience, ShopReelAI makes it super easy to discover hot products, whip up short promo videos, and earn affiliate commissions, all without having to film, edit, or dig through endless product research yourself. ShopReelAI makes things super easy. Just a few clicks and you're set. It finds trending TikTok Shop products in any niche, whips up scripts and captions with catchy viral hooks, and puts together 20 to 35-second promo videos using B-roll and stock clips. Plus, it generates trackable affiliate links and schedules your content straight to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. No camera needed. No editing software required. No copywriting skills necessary. It's as simple as this. Daily short videos promoting trending, commission-earning products, all handled by AI. With ShopReelAI taking care of everything, from finding the right products and making the videos to adding captions, links, and even scheduling, you can finally jump on the short-form commerce trend, boost your traffic, and start earning commissions quicker than ever. Here's how it all goes down in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Pick your niche and let AI do the heavy lifting. Choose from 10 built-in niches like beauty, pets, home, fitness, tech, you name it, or go with your own. ShopReelAI's product discovery engine instantly finds trending TikTok Shop products for you, complete with commission details, social proof, and profit margins. That way, you're only promoting stuff that's already hot. Step 2. Instantly create short videos, scripts, and captions. With just one click, the video creator whips up a 20 to 35-second promo video, no filming needed. The smart script generator gives you 3 ready-to-go scripts packed with viral hooks. B-roll video assembly auto-edits stock clips and adds captions for you. The viral caption writer throws in platform-ready captions and hashtags. Every promo gets its own trackable affiliate link attached automatically. In minutes, you've got a scroll-stopping short video ready to post. Step 3. Schedule content and track your first sale. Use the content scheduler to line up your videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts so your content goes live daily, even while you sleep. Check out clicks and CTR right inside the earnings dashboard. Follow the step-by-step first sale coach checklist to snag that first commission fast. Track which products and videos are crushing it, and double down on what works best. Just rinse and repeat. With ShopReelAI, you're not just tossing up random videos. You're basically running your own little affiliate video powerhouse. It finds products, makes content, adds your links, and helps boost your commissions, all from one super easy dashboard. It's hands down the quickest and simplest way to dive into TikTok Shop and short-form affiliate marketing for 2025 and beyond. Want to kick off your first winning TikTok campaign in just minutes? Grab ShopReelAI now. Plus, if you use the link below today, you'll score an exclusive launch-only bonus pack. Unlock ShopReelAI Plus bonuses before they disappear.